What is up, everybody? D-Man1954 back at it again. That's right, me, the one and only. You may recognize me from that one time I stumbled my way through an episode of the Dead Meat podcast, or from that one time I made the official Godzilla store ad, or from that one time I made a pretty world-famous YouTube meme mashup song on piano that took off and no one watched. I'm a pretty big deal. Some videos you have to, you're like, it's just gonna be so cringy that hopefully it pays off. Hopefully. So it's been brought to my attention that the love of my life, Billie Eilish, turns 19 on December 18th. And what better way to celebrate her birthday than with another unboxing video? Now I know what you're thinking, you're like, why aren't you decked out in merch for this video? Well, here's the thing, I bought a t-shirt back in October. It just hasn't shipped. I don't have it, it just hasn't shipped, but I promise you, I ordered it back in October. It's a pretty cool t-shirt. Whenever I get it, I can wear it, but who knows when that'll be. Anyways, let's just tear this package open. A box from Target. This is a Target exclusive event. And hey, would you look at that? So today we are checking out the Playmates Billie Eilish Bad Guy doll for some reason.
Turn it around. You'll probably have tape, but you just pull it right out. There she is.
We're following step by step on her instructions. So we're supposed to turn it around and find the tape, of which I found, and then we're supposed to unbox according to plan. I've just never seen a box open this way before. I didn't even take a minute to the box art. Yeah, it's a cool font. You know, you got like all the jagged, sharp letters here. You can see the little doll's face, and then you got a cool little drawing of her. On the box, it's just the doll. And then that's her from the music video. And it tells you to relive your favorite Billie Eilish music video moment. 10.5-inch collectible fashion doll. Highly detailed, it says. Guys, I don't know how screen accurate this one is. Fully posable, dressed in her iconic yellow hoodie and sweatpants. Eco-friendly package. I didn't even notice that, but yes, it is eco-friendly package that transforms into a diorama display that brings the doll to life. Does it really? Like Toy Story style and everything. Doll stand included. That is a long intro. Before we pop her out, I'd just like to do a fair bit of calling you guys out here. You've all been exposed. My smart TV decided to pop up on YouTube the other day and tell me that my viewers also watch Billie Eilish videos. So now there's a justified need. It's no longer just me repeatedly mentioning her in passing in videos. Now you guys have done this to yourself. There's a need because you consume this content. Also, I've strangely, and I don't know how it's possible because I've never posted about her, but I've strangely amassed just like a really large Instagram following of Billie Eilish stan accounts, and I cannot figure out why that is the case, but there's just a ton of stan accounts that start following me, and I never follow them back, but they all just start following me. It's pretty strange. And also, this is a Playmates figure. Playmates is doing the Godzilla vs. Kong line, which of course we're covering, so there's a lot of like general interest in Playmates, and when they put out the announcement for this figure, I got tagged multiple times on Instagram. I got tagged like 4 different times right as the announcement came out, and then tons of people DM'd me about it. So overall, I've probably gotten like 20 people asking me to do this unboxing, and I genuinely was not going to, because what am I gonna do with this? But too many people were asking me, so it was too good of a meme to pass up. I had to. So let's check it out. You pop it open. It's the strangest packaging I've ever felt in my life. We have some instructions here. You can check them out. I'm hoping we won't need them. We're just following her tutorial video, so she's got us covered here. She comes out of here like a Terminator or something. All right, stands pretty standard. You got the little hook here for the waist, and then the little plug-in, so you can just plug that right on into the base. Baseboard's right here. Got a little blow symbol on here. Damn, my quality's so high. You just can't compete with me. You cannot compete. Some simps would have cleaned up their room and they would have made themselves like really nice and presentable for this video. Not this guy, man. This is my future wife we're talking about. She's gonna have to live with all of me regardless, so for better or worse is what you get. This video is gonna age really well. Here's the doll. Highly detailed, they tell you. I've never owned a doll like this in my life. I've hardly interacted with a doll like this in my entire life. So that, it's a new experience for all of us, guys. Who would have thought we would have wound up here? Because I will tell you what, I never would have guessed it. The clothing is highly detailed. They got legitimate pockets. The pocket flaps open. She's got the, whatever the hell these things are, tied on her legs. But they have legitimate pockets that you can store stuff in. So if If you ever, for whatever reason, want to, you sure can. She's even got a little hoodie pocket that you can use however you want to use. In terms of facial accuracy here, yeah, we're looking at like a solid, like, 4 out of 10 here, guys. There's not a ton of resemblance here. They tried, they put in an effort. It's not totally accurate, but they tried. You can pull the rest of the hair out of the hoodie so she can get her iconic blue hair flowing. The hair actually feels kind of nice. I don't know how accurate it is to real life.
Put these flaps in first. You understand?
I kind of sonic speeded through how she puts this thing together, but I'm smart enough, I can figure it out. They use the super speed up technique that I used back in my old unboxing videos. I've moved on to jump cuts. Twice as nauseating, but way more effective. I'm a genius. I totally got that my first try. I did not consult any tutorial videos to figure out how to do this. Look at that. Right? Am I right?
What you want to do is open up my shirt.
Alright, articulation's like legitimately pretty awesome on this thing. You can do a lot with it. You can get like as many poses as you want. Here she is on the stand. I try to get her like do some badass karate kick or something. Do like a karate kick for excitement. You know, that's what I'll do. So. Figure it's pretty lame to make this one dab like I make every other figure, so can you tell it's pretty badass? You're pretty intimidated, right? Like I said, the articulation's pretty incredible on this guy. Oh, sorry, on this girl. You do a lot with her. You know, it's pretty cool. It's a lot more articulated than a lot of their other figures, that's for sure. Playmates, where is this level of articulation? Why don't you step up your game when it comes to your non-Billie Eilish figures? She keeps falling off her stand. It's okay. She's a little rascal. She keeps doing that. As far as highly detailed goes, that's pretty, you know, it's not that much of a lie. Got a lot of nice texturing on the shoes. On those very rubber shoes. Yeah, the clothes are pretty impressive. They're pretty genuinely impressive. Face, I don't know how accurate it is. She doesn't look as comfortably wearing this hood as she did when I got her out. Kind of made her day a little awful by messing with the hair. And there you go, just like that, karate champion, bad guy, Billie Eilish is all set to go. Now I know what you're thinking. You're like, what is this figure rated out of 10, as you always do in your unboxing videos? Well, out of 10, this figure's only like an infinity. Are you kidding me? It's my wife. How could she score any lower than an infinity? She's perfect. I'd just like to reiterate that I'm making this video because of you, that I wasn't gonna make this video until you all tagged me in this figure. Should I do the thumbnail image? Is that pretty good? What do you think, Billy? That a good thumbnail image? And would you look at that? Yeah, Derek, that was a great thumbnail image. Boom. Whoa, did you see that? She totally just came to life, just like the box said she would. The setup really does make her come to life. And oh my god, she's recreating the iconic Bad Guy music video. That's incredible. Don't. You're gonna get me copyright claimed. Please stop. And that's how you do a figure unboxing. Miss Eilish, because I know you're watching, you know, if you ever want an editor for your next unboxing videos that you record because probably someone asked you to do it for them, Playmates probably, just hit me up, you know, you can get my number very easily. I will edit it for free. That's the D-Man guarantee. For you only, not for anybody else. That deal's only for her, so don't try it, anybody else. What an amazing video you and I just created. Yeah, Derek, that was awesome. That was so cool. Ah, thanks, Billy. Oh, she's going for a high five and everything. She's the best. No, you're the best. Oh, you're awesome, man. You're too much. You're... Why am I recording this? Why? We did it and we made it to the end of the video. But bad news! I don't have the Good Girls doll, so I can't do the second Billie Eilish unboxing video yet. Or maybe ever. I don't know. Maybe that's saving us all from some painful experiences. Well, thank you all for watching. No one watched. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you guys next time for the next one. D-Man out.